In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make black and white photos in Affinity Photo. We're going to keep everything non-destructive, so you can experiment freely and change your mind at any time. By the end, you'll know how to convert a color photo to black and white and fine-tune the tones for a polished, professional look. Start by opening the image you want to work on. Go to File, then Open, and select your photo. Once it's on your canvas, you're ready to build the conversion in a way that protects your original file, which is exactly what we want. Next, add a black and white adjustment layer. In the Layers panel, look for the Adjustments icon at the bottom. It looks like a small gear. Click it and choose black and white from the list. Affinity Photo will instantly convert your image to black and white, but the key detail here is that it does so through an adjustment layer. That means the change is not baked into the pixels of your photo. You can tweak, hide, or remove the adjustment at any point without degrading the original image. It's the safest, most flexible way to edit. Now let's fine-tune the look. With the black and white panel open, you'll see sliders labeled red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and magenta. These don't add color. They control the brightness of areas in your image based on the original colors. Slide to the left to darken tones associated with that color, and to the right to make them lighter. For example, skies are usually influenced by the blue and cyan sliders. Foliage often responds to green and yellow, and skin tones typically shift with red and yellow. Make small, deliberate moves, watching how each change shapes the contrast and detail. Here's a helpful way to think about it. You're sculpting luminance using the color information that's still present under the hood. If a particular area looks too bright or too flat, find the slider that corresponds to that hue and adjust it to bring balance back. Lowering the blue slider can add drama to a sky, while nudging the yellow slider up can gently brighten faces without washing them out. Keep an eye on the overall contrast so your image retains depth and doesn't look muddy or overly harsh. That's it, a clean, non-destructive black and white conversion. Because you used an adjustment layer, you can revisit these sliders anytime and refine your look as your eye develops. Experiment, trust subtle adjustments, and enjoy the creative control Affinity Photo gives you.